Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Breville dual boiler with us in the shop. This ad came in for a few issues. One, that the machine was overheating. There was a lot of steam pushing through the top of the machine and outside of the vents that are located in the back and of course around the trim here. And then secondly, the machine just needed overall cleaning and treatment. So what we did is when we removed the lid, we found that mostly all of the steam boiler was leaking steam out of the gaskets and also the probes. So we did have to replace all three of those probes and replace all the gaskets on the steam boiler. On top of that, we descaled the machine multiple times and made sure everything was cleaned out. Did a cleaning of the group head. The group head was filled with a lot of coffee buildup, so we had to clean that out, replace the gasket, clean the shower distribution plate, and that's about it. And so we're going to quickly test the machine. Don't worry if the coffee that we grind and brews a little fast or slow, and we're using old test coffee to run these tests for these machines, and so we're not using fresh coffee at the moment. This is coarser on the setting, just due to how the burr adjustment is on the inside of the hopper. Seems like it's much finer than when you buy the machine, so maybe it was adjusted because when the burrs get old, you can kind of use them a little bit more if you were to change that adjustment on the ring, and so possibly that's an option. Another thing that was happening was here's that coffee for you. Getting on the coarser side. So, got that new gasket, nice and tight. Another thing that the customer had mentioned is that there wasn't a lot of steam coming out of the steam one. That was partially due to the fact that a lot of the steam was actually going out of the steam boiler because the steam boiler was practically open. But now that we have descaled it, you can see here, looks pretty good. Nice consistent steam pressure. If we were to run my hand under it without burning. Yeah, pretty good. The shot ran a little too fast. Again, it's on the coarser setting. But that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.